If you're not receiving text messages on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. In the Control Center, just open the Connection section, then tap on the airplane mode and turn it on. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on it and turn it off. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then for the next method, just remove the SIM card out of your iPhone, then insert it back in. Also try to use another SIM card in your iPhone because the issue can be in your SIM card. But if you're using an eSIM, you can skip this step. After you do that, then perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Messages app. Then tap on it. And from here, just make sure that iMessage has been enabled. If it is already enabled, just disable it, then wait for a few seconds and enable iMessages back on. Now just wait for a few seconds until iMessage has been fully activated. After you activate iMessage, the option for Send and Receive will appear on the screen. Just tap on it, and from here just make sure you select your phone number if you're using a SIM card or an eSIM on your iPhone. But you can also use your Apple ID or your email account. But I highly recommend to use the phone number. Now after you do that, then go back, and from here you will find a feature called Resend as Text Message. Because when iMessage does not work, your message will be sent as a text message. So make sure you enable this feature. And also, if Screen Unknown Senders has been enabled, just disable this toggle. Because when this feature is enabled, your iPhone will automatically hide the notifications for numbers which are not saved on your iPhone. Now if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. And from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset Network Settings. Now by resetting the network settings, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the network settings of your iPhone. Now from here, just check if this fixes your issue or not. But if this also did not work, then the last thing you can do is just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. Now this time, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset All Settings. Now by resetting all the settings, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And after doing that, you will fix the messages not receiving issue on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.